It's a bad man thing. See, his body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bump, 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bump, 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 boy. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on show. Baby, you know it's okay.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Waist Length. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl, and of course ring the bell so you get every single post notification, every single upload, every single slay. Don't forget to follow me on all my Snapchat and social media links. Those will be in the description box down below. This is a new unit by Outre, and as you saw in the intro, I do have two colors. This first one is the DR30. You are not familiar with my channel, you have to know. I live for a middle part straight blunt cut bob. I don't know what it is about them. I just love them and they give me life. So when I saw Juno, I had to grab it. With that being said, this is not a sponsored video. So where do we begin on Miss Juno? So cap construction is big head friendly, very comfortable cap. And here's your parting space. And I must say, they hit it out the ballpark with this parting space. This is all the hair to the front.
They want to ginger me.
Dare I say, I actually like the DR30 better. For some reason, the parting space on the 950 doesn't look as natural as I would like it to look. And I'm getting some lifting with the lace. This texture is way more shiny. I know it's probably not showing too much on camera, but even under my bathroom lights, this is a very shiny wig. It has a high luster to it. I am loving the concept of Juno. I love the blunt cut in. I love the parting space, and especially the length. The length is perfect for this unit.
However,
my biggest however with this wig is the texture. Texture is just way too shiny and it's too silky for my liking. I wish they would have came back with a more yaki textured unit for this style. I think it would have just hit it out of the ballpark. But she's cute. So if you guys are interested in Miss Juno, then I'll definitely leave some information for where you can purchase down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you're here. And of course, follow me on all my social media. Those links are in the description box down below. And you know what I say, ladies. No matter what color, what style, just make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.